Got a PGF image file and your usual viewers can't display it? This is a wavelet-based compressed image format with progressive decoding. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view and convert these progressive graphics files. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep PGF file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. PGF files are raster image files using the progressive graphics file format, a wavelet-based image compression standard developed as an alternative to JPEG and JPEG 2000. They support lossless and lossy compression progressive decoding for fast preview rendering and high compression efficiency suitable for archival web and large image storage applications. PGF files use discrete wavelet transform compression with progressive coding, allowing partial decoding for thumbnails and previews. The format supports 1 to 32-bit color depth, multiple color spaces including RGB grayscale and lab, and provides optional lossless mode with metadata fields for image properties and compression parameters within the PGF specification. If installed, your preferred program for PGF should be the Lemkasoft Graphic Converter application by Lemkasoft. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows interprets common image types, but modifications rely on proper editing tools. We're checking the integrity of the format. Right-click your PGF file and click Open With. If Lemkasoft Graphic Converter is installed, start there. If it's not, try another option. The solution is usually hidden within one of your apps. If the PGF file is still refusing to open, it's expected. We're facing a complicated PGF error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, viewing in XnView. Open PGF files in XnView with the appropriate plugin installed. Download the XnView PGF plugin from the official site and place it in the plugins folder. Restart XnView and use File then Open to view PGF images with full support for the progressive decoding and color depth features. Next, converting with XnView. Use XnView MP, which includes built-in PGF format support to view and convert PGF images. Open the file, then use File then Export to save as JPEG, PNG, TIFF, or other standard formats. XnView's batch conversion feature processes multiple PGF files at once for efficient format migration. Finally, working with the SDK. Developers can integrate PGF support into applications using the open-source LI-PGF library available from the PGF project website. The library provides encoding and decoding functions for PGF format, enabling custom applications to read, write, and manipulate PGF images programmatically in C++ projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.